Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TN I hope you all are well. So let's start the video today. And I start the video by unboxing this package that I got from Teexpert. So let's open it. So I got this plaster kit from Teexpert. It's actually a eco resin. You can see it jesmonite. It's really the same thing. So I'm really excited to see what we get in the box, in the kit. So this is the mixing ratio. You get 10 parts powder and 3 parts water and 30 minutes to mold, water based and by Teexpert. So let's open it. So in the kit, we get this wooden mixing spatula. And these are the molds that you get. One this big tray and 2 coaster molds. And plus your gloves and mixing cup, spoon and paint brushes. And these are the colors. So far I'm loving this kit. And this is the plaster and it's actually 1 kg. And another spatula, and this is for sanding, sandpaper. So I'm really happy with the kit because it has all the things you need to start your journey with the plaster, jesmonite, or whatever you like to say, eco resin. So let's start the project for today. I'm taking out the supplies I need for this project. So I actually had this idea that I was going to make it with jesmonite, but then I saw this plaster kit and thought, why not give it a try and see how this plaster turns out. So first I will be doing the same process that we do. You can use 2-part resin. I'm using UV resin here and I am making the drops. So please just enjoy the process. So I added a drop and started curing it, and while that tray is curing, let's start with this coaster mold. And I'm just taking out the brush I want and using the Chameleon Mica to brush on the coaster. So I got some questions regarding issues that with the mica, it's not sticking to the raindrops or the color is not so intense. So for that, I would recommend you to use these colors, that are these chameleon colors, because they are really intense and I always have positive result with them. And plus you need more mica to rub on your coaster. Whatever mica you use, make sure it's highly pigmented. That's the main thing. So you can use simple micas as well. It's not necessary that you use the chameleon mica, but chameleon mica brings out the beauty more. And the plain mica just make it really soft. So that's the main difference here. So now this is also cured and now I'm using my mica on this as well. So the theme I'm going here is a space theme, and it's a raindrop space theme effect. You can say galaxy as well. So I'm done with the mica here, and now we will mix the plaster. So I did make these trays before, so I exactly knew that how much I need for this tray. So you need around 250 grams of plaster for this tray. So here I have my plaster, and I added water to it. I have taken 300 grams of plaster here. And added 3 parts of water. So the thing is there, this is the mixing ratio that they recommend. But so if you use more water or by accidentally you poured more water, that is not an issue, but it do take some time to cure. So yeah. So I went with the ratio and I can see that I got a fairly nice thin consistency of this plaster here. So I really don't think I need to add more water. So I'm just mixing it. So really, it's really important that you mix it thoroughly. There should be no lumps. And also I really like the color of this plaster because it's so white itself. And now I'm adding the black color from the kit. So adding little amount at first, and let's see how much I need more. So this is on the gray side. I think I need to add more color. I think this is good. So I got a bit adventurous and added some gunmetal mica powder into the mixture. So again, I need to mix it thoroughly. So mix, mix, mix. This is really the key to get a smooth finish. So I'm done with mixing and let's start pouring. So I poured into the little coaster first. and now on the tray. So I thought I mix a little bit more. I had to mix 250 grams was enough for this, but I did 300, so I got some extra. So do keep some molds nearby in case you get some extra, so just pour it in them. So this is my mold that I usually pour all my leftover resin in it. So I'm just adding the plaster in that. This is really liquid, but still you need to do some tapping here. So that's what I'm doing here. And then I will leave it to harden for 30 minutes. So this is after 30 minutes, it's rock hard now. So I was really excited to see what will be the result, because this is plaster and I'm doing the technique with it. And I was really excited for the result. So I can see one of the dot here. I think it would have not been cured properly, so it has been left behind. So another one here, a little tiny one. Oh yeah, another one as well. But I did put them back with a little bit of UV resin. So this is the result. And actually I am really loving them, and you can see the shine. I really can't tell the difference that it's resin or plaster, because it has picked the mica and everything so nicely. This is the result. I added some raindrop effect on the sides as well. I just poured some drops onto the silicone mat and just brushed them with mica. That's it. And I just put them with little tweezers onto the coasters just for that extra look. So it sure do look like a galaxy theme, and I really love how the color shifts, and this is an illusion. So it's really fun, and I think it can be possible on with jesmonite and plaster. You just need to make that raindrops with resin. That's it. So I'm really loving that Teexpert plaster here, and I actually have a lot more to make. I think 2 to 3 kits more. So this is really excellent for any beginners who wants to try the plaster and see if it's good for them. So highly recommended. I will link my discount code in the description, so if anyone is interested, you can treat yourself with this plaster. So I will be making some more projects I have in mind. So I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please considering do so. And also thank you so much always for your lovely comments, your feedbacks, and lots of ideas that I get. So I do read them, and I will be making videos on them very soon. So take good care of yourself. Bye bye.